It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Even the cats out.
Always having something hard. So instead of debating about we can actually have a little fun. Make the most of family time with Pillsbury Crescent Rolls.
How we doing? Soldier those glasses. I'd be red-faced too. Next time, or 2 pairs and a free examiner. Just 60. It's not just a better deal. It's America's best.
Sounds like my scooter. Then it dies out.